Hey GLOWZY family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, on today's recipe, we'll be showing you how you can make your homemade spot remover to clear dark spots from your face or from your skin, or if you are suffering from dark knuckles, this is a very special strong spot remover. Believe me, it is not a magic, but you have to be consistent if you want effective or visible results. So guys, the ingredients are very simple and cheap. You'll be needing some potato juice. You can extract that by grating your potatoes. You'll be needing some rice flour or rice powder, however you call it. You'll be needing some turmeric powder. You'll be needing some sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice: olive oil, granite oil, vitamin C oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, rice oil, any oil of your choice. So guys, this is me adding some good quantity of turmeric to it. This is a spot remover recipe, but believe me, if you use it consistent or you are frequent with it, it will also help to lighten your skin. Once a dark spot disappears, that place becomes lighter. It is no magic, but you have to be consistent. So I'm using potatoes because potatoes have this great property that brightens skin, removes, I call it stain remover, remove stains from your skin, eliminate dark spot, and give you a very smooth and soft skin. So combining potato juice with rice flour and turmeric powder, it is a bomb. But please, if you are allergic, just be mindful, or you rather do a patch test to know if your skin will welcome this recipe or not. So guys, if you're wondering what happened to the potatoes I grounded after extracting the juice from it, don't miss my next upload. I'm going to show you a very fast way you can make some fast and yummy snacks with your potatoes leftover. I tagged that particular video potato mash pie. I don't know the exact name in English, but I just tag it that way. So this is my mixture, as you can see. But while I was preparing this, I already had my face washed with my mask. If you see the beginning of the video, I was ripping off my volcanic mud marks from my face. I already have this on my face and it was dried. So all I did was ripped it off. I did the application off camera because I don't want to bore you with extra long video. Once this is done, I went ahead to wash my face off camera with a lukewarm water and with my homemade bath soap. I think I have the video of how I make my bath soap at home, so you can search for it. I have some good videos of them. Right now my face is washed and well dried. Right now all I'm going to do, I'm going to apply my turmeric paste on my face, or what am I going to call it, my combination, my mixture on my face with the help of a brush, because turmeric is very pronounced. If you use your hand, it's going to stain your hands or leave some colors, but then those colors will go off before you realize it, so it is not a poison. But I just choose to save myself that stress and apply with my brush. I'm going to let this sit on my face for 10 minutes once it's dried, but you can allow yours to sit for 15 minutes if you wish, but 10 to 15 minutes is cool. Once this is done, I just went ahead, once it is dried, I just went ahead, rinsed my face, washed my face with a lukewarm water, then dried my face very well. When I touched my face, it was super soft and smooth. The sensation was lovely. All I did was to go in with my homemade face cream. I have several videos of how I activate my face cream. I don't buy face cream from my body. I gave out my face cream from my body cream. From my body cream, I had some secret ingredient to it, and voila, my face cream is ready. So I use the same cream for my body and my face. Just that my face on, I enforce it, or I activate it to be a little bit stronger because our face are sensitive. So guys, we're almost at the end of this video. Please don't click out if you haven't subscribed, and please do share me out in your community tab. My name is Susan, and you are watching GLOWZY Tip. Please stay blessed, be guided, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Remember, on this channel we deal with everything natural recipe from the comfort of your home. We maintain our skin, our hair, our hands. Remember, we carry our skin with pride. So this is all what this channel is all about. This is no magic. These are things that I use, and they have been helpful to me. So I thought it wise to share it with you. So guys, they are all natural ingredients, as you can see. Stay blessed and be guided.